There are 26 cases in the deal or no deal PowerPoint template. Each case has a value that gets automatically shuffled when the game is played. So here is the best PowerPoint deal or no deal template. Let's get started. Initially, you need to choose one case and that will be with you throughout the game. Now in round 1, you select 6 cases and those 6 cases, they will be eliminated. So your job is to choose cases that has the lowest denominations like this. Let me fast forward and choose cases. Now at the end of round 1, after you eliminated 6 cases, you have the bank offer, and this is generated through an algorithm in this PowerPoint game itself. The bank offers you 22,000, you say no deal, and you proceed for the remaining rounds, which again I'll be fast forwarding. So at the end of all of these, when you've eliminated, I think you'll be in round 1,65,000. Round 9, you need to eliminate one of the cases, and let's hope it's 75 or 25,000 and not the 750. Perfect. Now the bank offers you a lot of money, and any sane person would be willing to take 267,000, but for the sake of the game, I shall choose no deal. Now I need to choose one case which will have 750,000. So let's cross our fingers and go with the case we chose, and let us hope it is. Well, let us not talk about it. Greed is a really bad thing. To get this PowerPoint deal or no deal template, you can get it on the website pptvba.com. And if you want a discount code, leave a comment down below and I'll make a discount code just for you. Now, if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more games, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and hey, I'll see you in the next video. This is pptvba.com, and why not subscribe? It's for the YouTube's algorithm. Bye bye.